Welcome to Yes You Can channel. If you've got problems with your Peugeot / Citroen 1.2 engine, VTI or Puretech, then stay tuned. So the problem is, if you've got hesitation, limp mode, engine management light on, stalling, idling, misfiring, then this is the video to watch. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get started now. First and foremost, remove the positive connector from the battery. So what I'm going to do is clean the throttle body of this vehicle. Remove this connector attached to the airbox. Press this yellow bit down. So basically you need to remove the whole airbox. So once that's done, you need to undo this Jubilee clip. Just make it loose. There is a bolt here holding down the airbox, and this needs to be removed. You need to use a 10mm socket with a wrench. Now gently remove the intake airbox, just like this. Now you can see the throttle body. This is the most important part. There is 4 bolts. It takes a hex key, 5mm. So this is the most important part, guys, this bit here. So undo the bolts. As you can see, this is a 5mm hex socket. You should be fine with the Allen key if you don't have a socket. You need to remove this connector. This clip pulls out, and then just wiggle it, put your thumb there and it will come out just like this. The throttle body looks very dirty. We're going to give it a good clean soon. As my finger is pointing, there is 4 bolts, X bolts. Just remove them gently in case it doesn't fall onto the engine mount. So this removes, as you can see, look how dirty it is inside. you need to spray it with specialized throttle body spray. Don't use anything. Just make sure you get something that says air intake and throttle body cleaner. Use a toothbrush, use a cloth, and just clean inside of that metal area. Spray both sides, and with a cloth and toothbrush you scrub and you clean, you make it very shiny. So I gave it a good clean. As you can see, looks much better than before. Nice and shiny inside. Also to note that this is a butterfly clip. You can push this down so you can get in between the corners to clean it. And now it's time to put everything back in. So just align it like here. Put the hex bolts on, put the connector, the air intake, and you're ready to go. Now it's time to reset the throttle body. There's two ways, I believe. The first, which we already done, which was to take the negative connector from the battery. The second way is also to hold down the throttle pedal 4 to 5 seconds when you put the ignition on, and then let go, and then hold it down again 4 to 5 seconds, and then release the throttle, and then turn off the ignition, and then start your engine and drive and see if it's improved. Drive up to 100 miles.